I can manipulate it and get it open. But again, why fart around? We're in the business to make money. Let's just get this open as quick as possible. Yeah. Here's an unsolicited phone call. So who are you? Who are you?
Once again, EVO Payments International.
Okay, and why are you calling me unsolicited from Montreal, as you say?
Well, it's an international company, been around so long, right? So we're international, but I'm on the Canadian side here, that office in Montreal. I only called you because we are offering...
No, you got a crap thing. Well, I got you on YouTube, so I'll call your customer service and see what they have to say. I'd say half my phone calls are crap solicitation calls, trying to sell me all sorts of crap, from Visa, MasterCard, and they're not fake companies. They got crap. They're trying to sell me web pages or do domains. How come half my calls, and I can't be the only guy. So here's my rant for the day. I'm pissed off. I think if you put your name on the do not call list, I think you get more calls. So half my phone calls are crap phone calls from online telemarketers. Go away. So again, just a cheapy little cable lock. You know, I could cycle through. I'm just going to fart around. I'm not going to fart around too much. I could cut it but with my grinder, but why? I'll just leverage it. Use my cutters. Simple, fast, easy, done deal.